I started Kleaneasy Carpet and Floor Cleaning because I have been in the carpet cleaning business since the 1980s. And when I first started off, I was working for one of those national franchises that you would easily recognize if you saw their van out in the streets or in your neighborhood. And it's a good company and they have good equipment. But they also have a business model that requires their employees to try to sell additional services once they are in your home. You've probably experienced that, or you've heard of someone that has. But when they come in, you've ordered maybe 3 or 4 rooms of carpet cleaning, and these employees are paid by the commission. So when they come in, they want to add on additional services that you probably don't even need, like your hardwoods or your tile and grout or your upholstery, your area rugs or whatever. They want to add on as much as they can so that they can make as much money for themselves and for the company. And so there's a lot of pressure from management on those technicians to try to add on those additional sales. Now, the more services they add on, then the longer it's going to take them to do the job. And they get in a rush because they have other customers that are waiting for them. And oftentimes they don't do the best job because they're in a rush. Now, I was their best cleaner. I didn't have any callbacks on the work that I had done. But I was also their worst add-on salesman because I did not want to offer customers something that I didn't feel like was in their best interest. I wasn't trying just to line my pockets with money because I was offering a service that you didn't need. So I decided to start Kleaneasy so that I could put a business model together that makes me comfortable and works to your advantage. I will occasionally offer an additional service if I feel like you need it. If I see something's dirty and while I'm there, I can always offer a lower price than if you called me to come out and do only that service. But I will only do that if it's absolutely in your best interest. So I started Kleaneasy so that I could go out and do the best work possible at the fairest price possible without pressuring you to add on additional sales. And we both enjoy it that way.